we're making healthy, nutritious, delicious baked vegan hamburger patties, and we're using brown lentils. Finely dice the portobello mushroom and the onion, and we're going to saute in a little olive oil. Once your onions have turned translucent and your mushrooms have softened, add 1.5 tablespoons of tomato paste, add a half a tablespoon of chili flakes, crushed chili flakes, add a half a tablespoon of jeera, a half a tablespoon of marmite, 1 crumbled stock cube, and about 1/4 of a tablespoon of garlic powder, salt and pepper. Return that pan to the heat with about 2 tablespoons of water, just until the stock cube has dissolved. Then remove from the heat, and we're going to add 3 cups of brown lentils to the pan and mix that. Add about 2 cups of finely crumbed breadcrumbs to the pan and mix that together. Lay the patties on a greased baking tray and turn the balance into balls, which you can use as vegan meatballs, and you only need to make as many patties as you're actually going to use. I've made 5 here.